If you're buying car insurance for the first time, the whole thing can be deliberately confusing. There are different types of coverage, a bunch of numbers, and the limits, and every insurer seems to have a different name for the same thing. Car insurance is actually not that complicated once someone explains it clearly, and that is exactly what I'm going to do in this video. By the end, you'll know what you need, what you don't, how to avoid overpaying, and how to get your first quote with confidence. At the end of the video, I'll answer the question I get all the time. Should you stay on your parents' insurance or get your own? The answer is not what you expect. So what is car insurance? Car insurance is a contract where you pay a company a set amount, your premium, and in exchange they agree to cover certain financial losses if something goes wrong with your vehicle, like an accident, a theft, or weather damage. What they cover depends entirely on what coverage types you have in your policy. Liability coverage covers damage and injuries you cause to others. It is required by law in most states. Collision coverage pays to repair or replace your own vehicle after an accident. Comprehensive coverage covers non-collision events like theft, vandalism, or hail damage. Uninsured motorist protects you if you're hit by someone with no insurance. Medical payments covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, regardless of fault. So what is legally required and what coverage do you need? Every state except New Hampshire requires minimum amount of liability coverage. However, state minimums are often not enough to cover a serious accident. Consider going above your state's minimum if your budget allows it. Individual offers and coverage needs may vary. So in most states, it is required by law to have at least liability insurance. But if you can afford full coverage, then definitely go for it. Also, if you have a car loan or a lease, your lender will also require collision and comprehensive coverage. That's a non-negotiable until the loan is paid off. For new drivers, why are first-time offers higher? Experience is a statistical risk factor, which is why insurers often price these policies higher. But you don't have to just accept a higher number. You may be able to get better offers by maintaining good grades. Be average or better if you're under 25. Also, you can complete a defensive driving course. A lot of companies offer an app that tracks your driving. So if you are a careful driver, this could save you a decent amount of money on your premium. But individual savings may vary depending on how you drive. So should you stay on your parents' plan? It is almost always cheaper to stay on your parents' insurance in the short term because the family policy spreads risk across multiple drivers. You should only get your own policy if you moved out of your parents' house, own the car yourself, or specifically want to start building your own insurance history. So how do you get your first insurance offer? When you're ready to get your first insurance offer, use a comparison tool so you can see multiple insurers side by side. I do have a link for this comparison tool in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The tool is completely free. All you gotta do is put in your information and you are going to get real offers from trusted insurers without having to call anyone on the phone and wasting your entire day going back and forth. With this tool, you can do everything online, especially if you are a first-time buyer. This is valuable because you can see the full range of what you'll pay and make an informed choice. Individual offers may vary. So let's do a quick recap. Get higher liability limits than the state minimum if you can afford it. Take advantage of every young driver discount available. Number 3, use a comparison tool to shop your offers. Don't just take the first one you see. The link is in the description. It is free and it is the fastest way to get a real number for your specific situation. That is all I have for this video. Let me know in the comment section below how much you're paying a month for car insurance, and let me know how much money the tool has saved you. That is all. Press the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.